forge. I'm Forging McForgeface. This is the Ford. Today, we are making a belt buckle, a Damascus belt buckle. In the last video, we made this 30-inch piece of Damascus. I'm going to cut it in half and sell it. But today, we're going to make a belt buckle out of this. Step one, we're going to cut these edges off. No, we're not. I'm going to leave those. Like, subscribe, hit that bell. Okay, we got to light the forge. Tobin made me these. Thanks, buddy. Okay, it's almost hot enough that we can do stuff to it. I need glasses. That's better. Got a belt buckle shape. I'm gonna let this cool down. I'm gonna grind all the crap off, and then we're gonna turn it into a belt buckle. Stay tuned. Okay, it's cool to the touch now. We're gonna do some grinding. This is the grinder I've made. So it's sanded down to 120 grit. It's very hot. So it's sanded to 120. I gotta weld on the thingies, and then I can sand this. So I have this piece of square, 1/4 inch by 1/4. I'm gonna cut it, make the piece for that. Up we get to go on the mini mill. So I got the little thingy. It's all drilled out. Now I need to make a wire loop. Take the wire and bend it around my jig. That gives me this. These adorable little bolt cutters. Just like that. I made a hinge. Like so. I'll just weld that on there. I was hot on the feet. Please sponsor me, Hitbox. I adore your stuff. Now I'm gonna hand sand it with a palm sander in my hand. I'm gonna use 120 grit. It works the best with oil for steel. It lasts the longest. I'm probably wrong. Give her a little WD-40. Make sure Kid Cudi's loud enough. Put some oil on there. And work out the rest of the scratches. Welcome back. The next day. This was tempering yesterday. It is now out of the temper oven. We got a nice straw color. That just means that I'm gonna be able to etch it how I like to etch it. So I'm gonna hand sand this and then we're gonna etch it. I'll use a sanding pad like this and it does absolutely nothing. So we're gonna take vinegar, just regular white vinegar. This needs to get filled with vinegar. I have to go clean this with soap. This is all clean with soap now. The vinegar is now boiling, so I'll turn that off. Oh no, apparently elastic bands don't like boiled vinegar. Try the grip tester today. 0, 211, that's a... 215. I'm just gonna hit it on the buffer. This is it after the buff. This is the old Damascus belt buckle trick. It's 29 layers. Check out more of my videos somewhere. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Hit that bell. Okay, love you. Bye. Watch my other videos.